Hey friends, what's up? My name is Ahmed and you're watching Technopedia, and today we are going to building a Ryzen 3 gaming PC build under 40,000 rupees. Yeah guys, I was a little bit off from YouTube for a long time because of my first personal reason. So now I'm back. So let's start our pick with a Ryzen 3, the smallest in this AMD family, the Ryzen 3 PC build. It's the budget of this PC build is around 40,000 rupees. So let's get started. So guys, here we are, and now we are going to building a Ryzen 3. And for guys, I have to say that you have not subscribed to my channel yet, so please subscribe to my channel for the latest PC build gaming videos on my channel and latest technology news. So right now let's get on the topic, and here it's the processor, the smallest in this family, the AMD Ryzen 3. It's Ryzen 3 1200, and it's decent for our gaming PC build. So right now it's got a 10 mAh and 3.4 GHz of precious boost. It comes from a stock cooler, so you don't need to buy a cooler. But if you are thinking of overclocking it, then you have to buy a aftermarket cooler, but right now we are just fine with it with the stock cooler. So if you are going to overclock it, just buy a great decent amount of aftermarket cooler to keep the processor cool. So it's the Ryzen 3 that we all know. The price of it's around 379. So guys, I have to say one thing before you are going to buy. Please don't buy anything from Amazon or any other, because the price of it is little bit high. You can go to a retailer and you can get the processor around 1000 rupees less, because I have also got a Ryzen 5 CPU 1000 rupees less. So you can get a huge discount on retailer. I don't know why they are going to take too much, why their pricing is too much high, but just from the PC, it's just only for the PC component. The other things are a little bit less from the market, but the PC components and PC parts are a little bit higher. I don't know why. So go for a nearest retailer and ask him and compare the price, then you can know that there's a little bit difference. So this is our processor. It's around 3.4 GHz. And now get to our motherboard. Graphic card. The graphic card will be the Asus GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. It's from Asus company and it's 4GB PCIe graphic card, and it's great for gaming. You know that the Ryzen 3 does not come with integrated graphics, so if you are trying to if you're trying to do the stuffs like video editing or gaming, you have to buy a graphic card. So this is our graphic card pick. It's a 4GB graphic card, and it's great for our Ryzen 3 PC build. You can game a lot on around 1080p with ease with this graphic card. It's quite powerful, and that's it from our graphic card. And you can see the price of this graphic card is around 13,768. So once again, you can check out the retailer and you get a discount around 2000 rupees from this. Now let's move on to our motherboard. The motherboard will be the Gigabyte GA320M SG2 AM4. The product year is around, model year is around 2017. So it's support our Ryzen 3 CPU, and it's a great. It got a 2 RAM slot and 1 PCI slot. So that's only need, but if you are looking for more USB ports, and then you can look out for the other option, but right now in our budget it's fine. The price of this is 5,130. So you can buy it from your nearest retailer, or you can buy it for Amazon if you don't have time but have enough money to spend. So that's our motherboard. Let's move on to the RAM. The RAM will be the HyperX Fury 8GB to 2133 MHz CL14 DDR4 RAM. I think guys it's the best RAM, but first you can see the price. 8 GB RAM stick price around 7,000 rupees. Are you kidding me? 8 GB RAM price, guys. I have buy the same RAM 8 GB around 4,000 rupees, but it's, I don't know, it's too much high. So just check out your nearest retailer. They will give you a good amount of indication that they are pricing way too much high. I don't know, but last month I have checked, it's around 6,000 rupees. Now it's 7,000 rupees. I don't know why. So this is our RAM. It's DDR4 and nothing else. You can also buy, if you are on a budget little bit higher, higher than 40,000 rupees, you can buy 2 GB, or just wait for my 50,000 rupees gaming PC build. I am going to publish it soon. You can get a good indication about if your budget is little bit higher. Wait for my 50,000 rupees gaming PC build. And if you have any suggestion around how much budget I have to build a gaming PC, please comment below so I can know you. Now this is our RAM, HyperX Fury. It's a quite popular RAM. Now we move over to our internal hard disk. Drive will be the Western Digital Blue 1TB internet. I don't know to talk about this because we already know, and most of us already have this hard drive. It's great. The price is around 3,444 and I have got it around 2,500 rupees from my local retailer. I have also had this. The problem is that if you are on a little bit higher budget, you can buy a SSD 128 GB, but right now I think it's sufficient. I know the performance difference will be huge, but right now we don't need, we just need to game. That's quite enough for our gaming PC build right now. But you can buy a 128 SSD, you can store your Windows on it, so you can get a better performance, great, and no delay time. Now let's move on to our power supply. The power supply will be Corsair V450 450 watt power supply. I think it's quite enough, and it's important to buy a good company power supply because it's give the power to our whole components. If it's give up, then your components will be in danger. So please buy a good power supply, and you can see that the rating is quite good and the reviews are also quite good. So I think this power supplies will be enough right now for our gaming PC build. So this is Corsair V450 watt power supply, and now move on to our cabinet. The cabinet we are going to choose is, I think we are going to building a gaming PC, but right now it will be little bit confused. The cabinet is one thing that give you looks to your gaming PC. It can be a more good looking PC or a simple one, but for me I think that if you are in really tight budget, you can buy this circle gaming cabinet. It's also good, got a quite amount of rating, good. It's steel black and it also have enough graphic card length of 250 cooler height and 140 expansion slots, 7 front audio, 2 SD ports, and the front is 2.0 and 1 to 3 USB 3.0 port. So it's great. It's also got around 2 LED fan and 1 LED back fan. So it's good, it's looking good. But if you are not satisfied with this look, you want more good looking PC, more dashing one, then I have a choice for you. This is guys bang for a buck. The CPU, the cabinet look great, awesome, and I think it will give you a more gaming look type feel. But if you are in a simple home room office and do a video editing type thing, you can buy this. But if you really like good gaming PC build and you have to show to your friends, or you have to make a video on YouTube on your gaming PC, then I think this cabinet will be great. Let's talk about this cabinet. It's got external of 5.25 inch drive base, internal 3.5 inch drive base. I don't have this cabinet, but I think it will be quite good looking cabinet. You can see it's looking good, and the lighting will be also good. It's got a front USB 3.0 ports and a second USB 2.0 port. It's got 2 port I think on the front, so it's looking good I think, and it's a great. But it's up to your choice which cabinet you have to buy. It's around 5,000 394 rupees, and it's around 200 2298 rupees. So it's up to you which you have to buy. Now guys, let's talk about its performance. Now if you are up to a performance and you want a great gaming experience at a budget, you can get good amount of gaming from it. It's around 40,000 rupees gaming PC, and it will give you around new games like 2016 to 17 titles game around 50 to 55 frames per second at 1080p. And if you down a little bit graphic setting a little bit lower, you can enjoy up to 80 frames per second without any problem on the latest title guys. The Ryzen 3 CPU is great for performance, multi-thread performance, multitasking performance. It's great. I don't know, but AMD have just changed the market. The domination of Intel has quite down right now, and the AMD is going up. So I think if you're on budget, you don't need to think about any other option of Intel. Just go and buy Ryzen 3. Just for video editing, stuffs like that, you are going to get a great experience if you're using Ryzen 3. Yeah, gaming performance or single core performance will be a quite down as compared to Intel processor, but that's okay. I don't think that's enough, but it's not do not affect the gaming at too much, but it's great. On this budget, you're not going to get this kind of gaming experience from an Intel processor at this budget. I am talking about this budget. So it's great. You can buy a AMD Rizen CPU without any problem. So this is my gaming PC build, and you can get around 2016-17 title around 50 to 55 frames per second. I have also seen it again. I'm going to say it again, 55 frames per second without any problem at 1080p. So just wait for my gaming review, and you are going to see some games and see the performance, and you can see that it's quite holding enough. So here's my gaming look from Ryzen PC build.
Can you hear my heartbeat calling? Can you feel the love we're falling? Just take my hand and take me home tonight. Throwing caution to the wind, I'll take a chance and let you in. Just take my hand and take me home tonight.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
So guys, here we are back again. Hope you see the gaming performance of the Ryzen 3 PC build, and if you like this PC build, you can build with yourself. If you have any comment and queries, please comment below in the comment box. And if we talking about the budget, right now this online, if we calculate this whole component price, the online, I am talking about the online price of this component, the price of the component will be 43,908 rupees with calculating the components. And the cabinet which I've chosen in this is the Circle Gaming cabinet CC813, but if you are choosing it will be around 45,000, I think so, 46,000, but right now I've chosen this cabinet because we are on a budget. So you can see that the budget is around 43,908, but if you go to your retailer, nearest retailer, you can get around 38 to 39,000 rupees. So it's up to you. If you're going to buy it online, the budget will be this, a little bit higher, because this component price are getting higher, and I don't know why Amazon is placing way too much higher. So it's up to you, but I recommend you to go to a nearest retailer and check out the price and buy it with a little bit discount, so that's good for you. So guys, that's it for my video. If you like my video, please like that video and subscribe to my channel. I will be going to make some more videos right now because I have taken a break and now I'm back, and I'm going to publish a whole lot more videos to my channel now. So guys, please subscribe to my channel for future videos, and if you like, please hit that like button. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, please guys. So guys, I will catch you another one. Until then, have a good day.
Close your eyes and listen to the beat of